I'm Dr. Smita Jain, gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon, and infertility specialist. Today we'll be dealing what to eat, what not to eat, that is diet plan during pregnancy. I usually advise my patient to eat everything, whatever they like. Usually the food should rich in protein. Protein rich food helps in growth of the baby. Patient should also have milk, doodh, that is dahi, lassi, curd. They are probiotics. It helps in preventing vaginal infection and intestinal infection. Patient should also have green leafy vegetables, which helps in maintaining their hemoglobin throughout pregnancy. They can also have dry fruits, mainly almonds and walnuts, helps in growth and development of baby. Patient should usually take plenty and plenty of oral fluids. Water to be consumed are 4 to 5 liters of water per day. Fruits in the every seasonal fruits can be taken. Patient should usually avoid papaya and pineapple during first trimester. Rest everything can be consumed. Patients should usually avoid chole, rajma, or heavy grains, usually during at night. Morning time they can take, and rest all sprouts and grains can be consumed by the patients. Thank you.